everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to do a quick flip through of my envelope notebook that I made. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. All right. So I didn't come up with this concept, but it is Louisa Hensel, I think is her name. And I'll get the link for you and put it down. And she does an excellent job. She did hers with paper, and I did mine with fabric mostly, and some fun cardstock and papers. But I will show you guys how I did this one on my next video. So I'll go ahead and do a video tomorrow on it and get it to show you guys. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you guys can see when that one pops up, and you can come check it out. And they turn out so gorgeous. I mean, they're just so much fun. So you got the front and then the back here. A little dangle. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out your craft supplies and just cuddling in by the fire or the heater and just getting your stuff together and doing some fun projects. So this is the finished product here. And we got a tie on the front and then just a little dangle here with a bulb clip pin and some beads on it. Okay. And then that's the inside of it. And then right here, you just got a little journaling space. Little pocket. You can put whatever you want there. Okay. And then let's do a quick flip through here. Just some fun stickers and stamping and some collages. And this will be in my Etsy shop. So I'll get that in there. So you guys can come check it out. And I do some Rit dye is what I use. It's for tie-dyeing my fabrics, and I do have some tie-dyed banner flags and gift bags, rainbow gift bags that I make and stuff. And I use my tie-dye Rit dye for that. But I also use it on the papers to go ahead and to do some different fun, just kind of mixed media art for those. And I also do avocado dyed paper and onion dyed paper. So that's what's all throughout. And then some craft paper too. And some cardstock and stuff. So it's just got a combo of everything in here. Okay. And then I did some lace and just some stamping and stuff. And then this is just a little tuck up top. Just to kind of put something up here like that. And then also some stenciling throughout. And then I'll show you guys also how to do the layered paper like this that I did. Like that. I thought that would be just some fun touches there. And then some beautiful fabric that I got from my mom. She's a quilter, and she sends me this beautiful, I mean, this is like high-end fabric too. It's not the cheapo fabric. So it's some nice, it just feels really nice. It's like cotton, and I just love it. I love it. And then in here, you got your little envelope, and this is a fun, just journaling spot. You could put stuff on. So we got that there. So that's the front of it. And then you flip it. And you got the back here, and you got the same here with the little journaling card. Or tag, however you want to say it. Okay. And some more fun stickers and stamping. And some collage. And then there's still plenty of room for journaling and adding your own touches to it. So I made sure to leave you guys a bunch of space. And then just some fun ephemera that comes with it. Just a sticker and a more journaling space here. And just a fun little pocket. Like that. And then just decorative papers and some more stickers and some more fun things to play with. Some more journaling space. Some stickers. Some yellow roses. just a little corner tuck here. There we go. Okay, and then some more stenciling, and then the little fun little pages here. Okay, and then you get some more journaling space, and then just some fun. It's just the colors are just so beautiful in this. I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but the material is just beautiful. There we go. It's just got a really neat feel. And this is definitely a one of a kind here. See, I don't know if you can see that. But it definitely has a nice feel, and it's just soft. Okay. Then you got your ties with your eyelets on it. And this is a fun little additive. These are all little journaling cards. There's just little tags. Good thing they got tags on them. So here, let's just take them all out and I'll show you. So they're just little tags with all spaces to write on the back. And then they just pop right in here. Like this. And you just stagger them. Like that. And they go like that. And there you go. And that just gives a little bit of character at the top. I like that. So this is the end product here, like I said, and this is the side where it's all bound together here. And please, 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 if you could, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then you guys can see the next video when I post it. And then like, comment, and share. And let's grow together. And keep on crafting, guys. And like I said, this will be on my Etsy shop, so come check it out. And have a great day.